Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix the ChatGPT network error that you get sometimes when you try to get a response from ChatGPT. Right, so if you have experienced this ChatGPT network error, there are two main methods I'm recommending you to try out to fix it and minimize the amount of network errors you get when you are using ChatGPT. So the first one is to open up the settings page of your web browser you are using. I'm currently using Google Chrome, so this is the browser I'm going to show you how to do this ChatGPT network error troubleshooting. But this also works in any kind of other browser. So all you have to do is open up the settings page, then click on in Google Chrome on privacy and security, then select cookies and other site data, then scroll down to see all site data and permissions, and here we have to search for the ChatGPT account, which is OpenAI in this case. So search for OpenAI, and here we gonna see the OpenAI website, which is related to our ChatGPT account. So all we have to do is basically clear the cookies, and then we're gonna be able to log back into ChatGPT, and in most of the cases this should fix the ChatGPT network error issue. So just click on this trash icon and clear your ChatGPT cookies, and then you should be able to log back into your ChatGPT account and use ChatGPT without any network issues. If clearing your cookies didn't solve the issue and you still see the ChatGPT network error when you try to get a response from ChatGPT, then I would highly recommend to use a high quality VPN, and the one I'm recommending is ExpressVPN. And there are three main reasons for it. So the first one is that it's really fast and good for ChatGPT, and there is a low chance that you will still get the ChatGPT network error and other issues and technical errors that you can experience with ChatGPT if you use ExpressVPN. The second one is that you can try it out for 30 days risk-free. So if you end up not using ChatGPT anymore or you're not 100% satisfied, you can cancel your subscription and get all your money back. And last but not least, if you use the link in the description below and click on start your trial today, you're gonna be able to claim 3 months off from their ExpressVPN subscription and also save a lot of money. I think it's a great deal, and ExpressVPN can be used for all other marketing and other tasks you have, and you're not gonna get bombarded with annoying remarketing ads as well. So all in all, these are the two methods I would highly recommend to try out if you experience the ChatGPT network error, and these two methods are probably gonna fix the ChatGPT network error.